Aldo the corgi, a trickster so bright, performs with his sound machine day and night. Each beep or chime serves as a signal so grand, bringing joy with each trick across the whole land. He'd tap on a keyboard with his stocky feet, a furry typist with a deadline to meet. He'd use his paw to scratch an LP. The screeching sound made all want to flee. When a game show started, it felt sublime. Aldo would slap the buzzer in the nick of time. With paws folded neatly, a hopeful soft stare, Aldo would sit up. That's adorable right there. To the sound of applause, a crisp clapping beat. He'd lift a swift paw, a perfect high-five feat. To the sweet, swirling strains of ballet soft tune, Aldo would pirouette gracefully from morning till noon. When Aldo hears the accordion, a quiet command, he would roll over, then rise and stand. A soft, rumbling snore across the room would glide. With a contented sigh, Aldo would flop on his side. At the loud, cheerful crow of a rooster so grand, Aldo would pop up, ready to heed a command. When he hears a boing, like a spring's happy sound, Aldo will leap high, paws off the ground. At a slide whistle's whimsical rising wail, Aldo would spin, then quickly chase his own tail. At the crisp knock-knock from the hallway he'd hear, Aldo would open the door, dispelling all fear. To the rhythmic thump of a dribbling ball, he'd play basketball, giving his all. To a loud beep-beep like a truck in reverse, Aldo would walk backward, another trick to rehearse. And as the wheels start to glide, Aldo would hop on his skateboard, taking a ride. To a soft swish-swish, a signal so neat, Aldo would scoot backward on his adorable corgi feet. At a soft, gentle whisper, Aldo would step between Christine's knees, standing so proudly, looking forward with ease. Then, looking right at the camera, with his happy, proud face, Aldo would smile, with a toothful grace.